Hello and welcome to Vegas day one. I don't know if I'm really gonna vlog every day, but I figured I'd at least do a room tour. So we are here, we are in the Encore, and this is pretty much the same room we've stayed in the past couple years, except flipped. All of this stuff is on the right in this room when you walk in, and all the rooms we've stayed in previously, all the stuff has been on the left. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you the tour anyway. So you come in the door, and immediately you have the bathroom, shower, bathtub, double vanity, nice big mirrors. All of my crap I've already unpacked, some robes, and then that's the toilet. We don't really need to look at the toilet. And then you've got a big mirror wall and a closet. We've already hung up all our clothes and unpacked. We are settled in, but I'm gonna go ahead and close these doors now. Oh, that was loud. And then you keep walking in, and then there's this like furniture thing. What is even in here? I don't think I've ever looked in here. Oh, it's a fridge and a place to like sit stuff, I guess.
Got stuff you can buy on it.
Yeah. But all of this is obviously wildly overpriced, so I never buy any of that. And there's a nice little corner to stick my suitcase. I've got my shoes in this corner. Babe, why do you only have one shoe here? Oh, you have the other one. Then of course we have the bed, a couple of nightstands, nice lush comfy bed, and another wall of mirrors. TV, and the TV is actually really cool. You can spin it around, so in the sitting area you can watch it too, which is really nice. We did that last year, or maybe it was the year before, after the festival when we were eating really terrible vegan grilled cheese sandwiches on the couch. Then there's a desk. I have turned this into the tech, snack, hydration, and drug station. It's got a little bit of everything. My tripod's gonna live there. So that's that. Little couch, ottoman, another little table. And we have a different view than we've had in the past as well. Usually we're facing the festival grounds. Today we're kind of facing part of the strip. You can see some construction going on there. There's the Sphere, and well, a building over there we don't need to look at. So that is our room. Very nice. We've already had lunch. We landed, we brought our stuff here. I changed real quick because I just hate wearing my airplane clothes. And we went down to Terrace Point Cafe and had some lunch because we were starving. I was up so early because I'm still on Italy time kind of. So now we're debating, do we go over and check out the festival merch line or not? We need to kind of go in one direction or the other to get some water to keep in the room. They gave us 2 complimentary bottles, but we're gonna go through more than that. So that's kind of the loose plan. Either that or relax. Well, since this is actually Bob the drag queen's shoe, he left it here. So I didn't end up vlogging during this trip, just a little at first day, but just was not in the mood. But I do have some empties to share. I finished this Crest Gum Detoxifying Deep Clean toothpaste. I get these travel size ones when I visit the dentist as my little hair cleaning went well gift. I guess they give everyone. But yeah, I wouldn't buy this. This looks kind of gross actually. I did not like it at all. But I got the job done. I also finished the Lumi Whole Body Deodorant. The Clean Tangerine is my favorite scent. I like this better than the antiperspirant one. It's got aluminum in it, and my bigger issue is that it like sticks to your skin. You have to really scrub your pits with that one to get it off, which is really annoying. This one washes off nice and easy, and also mostly keeps you not stinky. Especially since I've gotten the Botox in my armpits, I'm nowhere near sweaty. Like it's been a revelation. It's changed my life in a very significant way. But this is still the deodorant.
per usual, I've finished a few of these timeless vitamin C's. This is my favorite vitamin C, and I love that it comes in a travel packet, so I'll continue to purchase that. I finished the Ellis Brooklyn Sun Fruit Eau de Parfum sample. I like ordering directly from Ellis Brooklyn whenever I run out of samples. If I need to restock something, I like ordering from them so I can get more samples for travel. And then I finished the Pacifica Glowing Makeup Removing Wipes. I don't use wipes very often. It's a very rare occasion, but I do like to have them on hand. They last me forever though. Honestly, they start like inching towards drying out before I can even use them all up most of the time. But these are the ones I like because they're just easy to find, and Pacifica is a vegan brand. Since this is our last trip for a while, I'm probably gonna go through my stash of travel size items and use some up, at least some of the ones that I know are getting older, just so like none of the product goes bad, and then maybe I'll do a refresh on my travel size items before we go on our next trip, which probably won't be till spring. And I don't even know where or if, like, a lot of things are up in the air right now. So that is my empties. That's the end of this Vegas vlog. That was really just a room tour because I didn't do any vlogging at all. I'll have little 1-minute vlogs up in the shorts section that just show snippets of my day, but I didn't do any major vlogging. I needed to relax, especially after Italy. We did too much this month. It just was a coincidence that all the stuff fell in October, but I'm ready to reset at home.